Hi students, this is your science teacher and I'm going to explain about the movements of Earth. How does the Earth move? As we all know, Earth and all other planets move in two ways. They rotate and they revolve. What is meant by rotation? Imagine a line passing through the center of the Earth that goes both through the North Pole and the South Pole. We call this invisible line as the axis of Earth. Earth spins around on this axis like a top. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. Each planet spins on its axis, and the time taken by the planet to complete one full rotation on its axis is called a day. Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. People on the half of the Earth facing the Sun, they receive light from the Sun and they experience daylight, and this period is called daytime. People on the other side of the Sun facing away from the Sun, they cannot receive the light from Sun, and this period is called night time. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also moves around the Sun. Earth travels in an oval-shaped orbit. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed orbit is known as revolution of the Earth. Earth takes 365 days, 6 hours and 8 minutes to complete one revolution. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, its state is not straight up and down. Its axis is tilting. Tilting means if we draw a perpendicular through the center of the Earth, this line of perpendicular and Earth's axis of rotation, they make an angle each other. This tilt causes one part of the Earth to lean towards the Sun while other part is leaning away. So different parts of our planet surface gets different amount of light and heat. This creates a series of pattern, and this pattern makes season. When the part of the world that we are living is leaning towards the Sun, it's warm and it is summer. And when the other part is tilted towards away from the Sun, it is winter. As we know, we have two hemispheres. Countries that lie between the equator and north pole of the Earth are in northern hemisphere, and countries that lie between the equator and south pole are in southern hemisphere. So when the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the Sun in summer, it will be summer, and summer the days are long and the nights are short. If the length of the day gets longer or shorter, it's a sign that the season is changing. The seasons are caused by tilting of the Earth's axis. If we look at the equator, equator is an imaginary line on Earth's surface which divides Earth into two parts as northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. At equator, there are no distinct seasons. There is equal day and night on every day of the year. So this is about Earth's rotation and revolution. Rotation is due to the spinning movement of Earth on its own axis. Revolution is the movement around the Sun in a circular or oval-shaped orbit. Rotation causes the formation of day and night, whereas revolution causes seasons. This is the end of this lesson, and I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.